front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to Heat Sounds and Vibration. Now tap on Vibrate at the top to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Sound on the left and use this switcher next to Vibrate warning to enable or disable haptic feedback for incoming calls. When you finished, scroll down, click on Call Vibration and pick one of those patterns for your incoming calls. Select Silent or adjust intensity of incoming calls vibrations thanks to this slider. Wherever you decided, go back, click on Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back again, choose System Vibration, adjust intensity at the top thanks to this slider, and then click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. You can also go back one last time and tap on Vibration Intensity to get access to all of those sliders to manage intensity of incoming calls vibrations, notifications, system and media in one place. Last but not least, use the switcher next to Vibration Sound for incoming calls to enable or disable this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!